Hey, how's it going everyone, and welcome to my video here. Just want to show you guys what I've been doing lately in a bit of my absence from YouTube, and which is working on this budget PC here, as you can see. Using some of my older components that were just lying in my garage, and decided to use them to get a functional PC here going. And the older parts are my video card and CPU. The video card is an R7250, 1GB of GDDR5 memory. Thing in 2015 I got for 40 bucks, so not too bad. The next is a CPU, which is AMD A68HM-E33 V2 with the AMD wave cooler, and I believe it was like $100 at the time, and I think you can get around for around 80 bucks now maybe. And everything else is pretty much brand new: the motherboard, power supply, hard drive, and case. First off, we'll start with the motherboard. It's a MSI A68HM-E33 version 2, which I got for $46.99 off Amazon, and it's pretty solid, works just fine. I set out with my 7070K, works just good. And here you can see got one PSI Express slot, well, two of them, one's 3.0 and the other one's 2.0. 4 SATA 6 gigabytes per second. SATA RAID, USB port, LAN, and audio. And here's the ports you get in the back: keyboard and mouse port, a D-sub port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, HDMI, LAN, 2 USB 2.0 ports, line in, line out, and a mic. So yeah, very solid motherboard, works just fine. No issues with it so far. And next is my power supply, which is an EVGA 400 watt 80 plus bronze, which I got for Amazon on 35 bucks. So not too bad. EVGA make great power supplies for the money. Definitely recommend them. Next is the hard drive, which I got for 20 bucks. Is a Western Digital Blue 320 gigabytes. I think that's 72,000 RPM. So not too bad. Could have got a little more memory if I spent a little more, but you know, just eventually I'll just upgrade that later. Next is the RAM, which is the Kingston HyperX 4 gigabytes of DDR3 memory, running at 1600 megahertz. You might be wondering why not get 8 gigabytes. I would, but right now the prices are a little bit more higher now. Last time I got 8 gigabytes from Kingston off Amazon, I got for $37.99, and now I see it around for 60 bucks. So yeah, right now I'm gonna wait till prices stabilize, because I know there's a shortage of RAM right now due to like an accident in the factory. So the prices are a bit more higher than they used to be, quite a bit higher. So right now I'm gonna stick with 4 gigabytes, which I got for $32, and eventually when prices stabilize, I'll maybe upgrade it to 8 gigabytes. And lastly is the case, which is a Rosewill FEM01, which I got for 20 bucks. So it does feel like a 20-buck case. Feels pretty flimsy, but it gets the job done, Here's your powers and reset switch. Get 2 ports, a headphone jack and a microphone jack, 2 USB 2.0 ports. I believe you can put a floppy drive in here, though I doubt in this day and age you use it. And this is where you put your DVD drives and stuff. And this case comes with 2 fans pre-installed, 120 millimeters I believe fan here, and 80 millimeters fan here. Correct me if I'm wrong on the size. And there is holes so you can fit a bigger fan on there. So I guess they just give you this 80 millimeter fan, and just does a cut cost and stuff. And yeah, pretty much the build went just fine. It was pretty easy. The only hard part really was getting the power supply 24 pin on there, because it took quite a bit of force to get that in there. It was like ridiculous the amount of force I had to put in there, but thankfully I was able to get in there without actually breaking the motherboard. I mean, it just took like quite a bit of force than I usually would put to put in the 24 pin for some reason. But other than that, it worked just fine. Tested out, and it's working. just fine with Windows 10 Pro installed on it. So yeah, not sure exactly. I might eventually sell it, but for now it's just gonna be in my room. And I'm gonna get a Wi-Fi card just so I can use it for a bit and, you know, test it out and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you liked this video. So if you have any questions or how, you know, the building process and stuff, you can ask me down in the comments and stuff. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one.